What's up, guys? We're back here with more Doom. Yeah. More of it. And I've decided... You know what? I start out with the plasma gun, thank you. I do appreciate that. Thank you. I do appreciate starting out with this awesome weapon. Honestly, the plasma gun, the BFG is great and all, but it's just not a good weapon. I mean, it's the best weapon in the game. It just takes up your ammo so much. But the plasma gun knows what it's doing. It's nice, ranged. Oh, a box of rockets, eh? Hey, whoa. Okay. Oh, there's the exit. Oh, god dang it, don't do it. Bah, no. Don't do that. Okay, go. Ah! I'll just, let's just do that. Ooh, mega armor. I will take that. Oh, you stupid piece of crap. You cannot do that. It's not nice. It's not nice at all. Sorry, did I do that? I think I did that. Ah. Plasma gun to the face. Gaining my health back already. Oh man, energy cells. Oh. Now I can just keep firing this thing infinitely. Infinitely! I really like this game, even though it's an old one. I really like these old games like this. They're fun, they're fast-paced, and they're awesome. Hey, it was worth getting 300 ammo for this thing. 300. It was worth it. Alright. Get to the blue doll. Okay, it took 13 cells to kill you in the face. Pinkies are durable, I'll give you that. Your kind is durable. I'll give you that much. Ooh, cells. Cells. Take them. I don't want to go in there because there's a freaking Pinky. He's like hiding around the corner like, I'm gonna kill you. There he is! Oh my god, he's so freaky. He's like a ninja. My god, that Pinky. That Pinky though. Man, remember in the last video when I got like stuck there? Oh my god. Oh, and I'm back at good health. We're at the exit. Guys, I think this is a new meaning for us. Oh! That deserves a save. Look at that. We got, oh, we defeated 3 levels, so that means we got 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 levels left, and maybe even 6. And that'll be the end of the second campaign, and then we can go on to the last campaign, the third one. They like the spam in this game. I have figured that much out. Backpack of ammo. Ooh. Yeah, thanks for freaking throwing a fireball in my face, you butthole. I need help. No! Is that the area map? Yeah, that's the area map. Oh, I want that. I want that. I want that. No, I don't want that. Back to good health. Alright, let's look at this stupid map. No, it's stupid. Looks ridiculous. What? Face full of plasma. Ow. Of course. Okay. Nope. Oh, the blue key card. Yeah. Okay. I get it. I need yellow for that door. Oh, and of course you're back here. What's up? Yellow key card. Oh, no, running. Oh, killed. Got him. Oh, hi, guys. So great you're here today. Thanks for that. Oh. Ah. Hands get numb from all this dodging and weaving and whatever else you can do. Oh, supercharge, yes. Ho. I am back in business. Oh, that's lovely. That could be a great scenery for your child. Bunch of skulls and body parts. There's the exit. Go quickly. Oh, hi. Aha! Oh. Ooh, okay, I get it. Bada bing, baby. Oh, that is a dirty trick. No. They can't do that. Confirm it. We'll do one more. Oh my god, what is with the imps? I've had enough imps to last me a lifetime. That last round's killed him. Ah! Chain gun, you're good. I like you. Get the job done. Oh, what? Oh my god, I just got the chainsaw. Yeah, baby.
Time to rip and tear. Oh yeah. Chainsaw time. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is the weapon I've been waiting for. Look at that! I'm just ripping through these guys. Look at that. The chainsaw is freaking amazing. I just ripped through those guys. I don't think I need to use any other weapon, do I? Can I just use the chainsaw? What? Oh, there's you. Oh, you killed me and I lost my chainsaw. Well, remember to leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll be back here with more Doom, and I'll get the chainsaw again, and it'll be okay. It'll be okay.